going on? I'm Steve, and I'm just going to cut this intro short because I'm going to show you how to play more cowbell. You know, the song The Reaper by Blue Öyster Cult in under 60 seconds. It doesn't take that long, and it's amazing and fun. So let's get to it. You begin here in A minor, but you really only play the low notes. A string, D string, G string of that A minor, and go. Then remove it and hit the open G string right there and go to a G major, the bottom part of a G major. So I'm really walking up from the E, A, D, and G strings right there. And then I'm going to an F major, like that. I use my thumb. You can use your finger if you want to. You can use all these fingers. You're basically playing first fret of the low E string, third of the A, and third of the D string, and then the open G. And then you go back to the G major again. Same thing we just did, and back into the A minor. And when you put it all together, very cool. I think I did it in under 60 seconds. So hit like on your way out and give me some ideas for more super short lessons like this one. All right, catch you around.